Hey Aries, Yana Speaks here, and in this video I am doing your love reading for the month of January 2020. Now, I'm going to start off by letting you know that all of my readings are general, so they may or may not resonate with you because not every single Aries is going through the same exact thing, obviously. So if you find that this reading does not resonate, then it will be your best interest to book a private reading with me. All the information to do that will be in the description below. Alright? So, let's start off by asking your spirit guides what is the overall energy for Aries January 2020. Alright, so your overall energy, Aries, this month is death. So what this is telling me is that, and it's very interesting that we would pull death and then we just started 2020. So I feel like you guys are going through a transformation. You guys may have just ended something with someone. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, you may have like ended a relationship with someone, or I'll give you 1 second. Sorry about that, I'm so tired. So you guys may have just ended a relationship with someone, or it could be someone that maybe you were just like dating them, or maybe you guys were like, in a situationship. But it just basically looks like you've ended something with someone, right? And it's this energy of like, out with the old, in with the new. It's about endings, but it's also about new beginnings. And I just feel like you guys are going through a transformation. Okay. You feel uncomfortable though, because going through a transformation and having to end something with someone can be uncomfortable because when we've been going about something for a long period of time, we get used to it. So to have to go about life in a different way is hard. So you guys are probably going through a tough time right now. And then we have the Emperor reverse. So, the Emperor, when it's in the upright, that talks all about your energy. The Emperor represents Aries. So, normally you are in control of your destiny. You normally are someone that people look up to, people who, you may have people that come up to you for advice, or they just look up to you because you are someone that knows how to take control. You're a leader. You know what I mean? Now, with the Emperor being reversed, I feel like you guys could have been dealing with someone who was more, how to explain it? You guys were like probably dealing with someone who was very controlling, very domineering, someone who abused their authority over you, someone who was trying to control you. And I feel like that's what led to you ending this with this person. I also feel like you may have not trusted this person, and some type of like information may have been revealed to you. So maybe you guys like actively went to seek the truth about something that didn't feel right, and it was revealed to you. So you could have maybe possibly went through their phone. You could have closely watched their social media, but some type of truth was revealed to you about this person. Now, I feel like this is someone that you do have children with, okay? If it's not someone you have children with, this is someone that you may have been like planning to have a family with. This could also be someone that is financially well off, and that could have been their way of using their power and their authority over you, like through finances. So like this person could have been like the breadwinner, the provider, and then they use that to their ability, like they took advantage. So maybe like you had to rely on them a lot, and they abused that. I also feel like maybe you were trying to see some type of truth regarding like money, okay? Like maybe money that you knew should have been there wasn't there, and you have to like go find out the truth about it. I'm just seeing you seeking some type of truth. You could have also found out that this person had like a family on the side. That's another thing I'm picking up on as well. So, but I really feel like it's more regarding money. Okay. So I feel like because of that, you've decided to leave this person out in the cold. Okay, you're like, I'm over this. I'm not dealing with this anymore. Now I feel like you may experience some type of financial loss, because I really feel like strongly this person probably was the provider, or they was just more stable than you. And it's funny because I never really stared at this card that well, but something just told me to look at it. And as you can see, this is this woman here, and she's with her child, and she's just, they're homeless, they're out in the cold, and she's just trying to use this light to get to where they're trying to get to, but they're really struggling, they're damn near poor. I kind of feel like some of you may feel like this. So you may have stayed with this person for financial reasons. This person was providing for you, but they were also abusing you. Okay. I also feel like maybe in front of people, you guys made it seem like the relationship was really good. Like you guys put on that front, like you guys really cared about your public image. So like behind closed doors, it was like a nightmare. But if people that like if we was to ask people that know y'all like how your relationship was, they would say, oh, they have the perfect relationship, not knowing you're going through hell with this person. You may also have stayed with this person because of your own ego. That's another thing I'm picking up as well. So it could be like maybe you were very prideful, and to accept the fact that this relationship or situationship wasn't working out was kind of like a blow to your ego. So I just feel like in 2020 though, you're like, I'm over it. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're like, I don't even care. I don't care if I miss out on money. I don't care if me and my child gotta struggle. I just can't deal with this anymore. That's just what I'm picking up from you, all right? So let's see how this person feels. So how's this person feeling about the Aries? Wow. Emperor reverse. Maybe I didn't shuffle good enough, but it came out the way it was supposed to. I did shuffle. Because they are definitely showing up in this reading. Okay, so you guys are right. You're dealing with someone who is controlling, someone who's domineering, someone who feels like they need to control you. This is someone who feels like they need to have power over you. But it's interesting. They feel like you're controlling. They feel like you're domineering. But isn't that usually how narcissists are? Like when you tell them about themselves, they'll turn around and say, no, it's you. And they'll deflect, and they'll like whatever you say that they are, they'll turn around and say, no, that's you. That's what you are. You know what I'm saying? So very interesting. So yes, I feel like you both put on this facade for people that like the relationship between y'all were good. You know what I mean? But it was really because of you guys' ego. So this person has an ego too. So to them, and I just picked up something intuitively. I feel like when they got you, it was like a stroke to their ego. So maybe you could be a really attractive person, and you were someone that they wanted to kind of like show off to the world. And maybe they got like a lot of praises for being with you. So I feel like that's why they tried to control you, because maybe they knew like other people wanted you, if that makes sense. I also am picking up that I feel like a part of the reason why they held on to you so long too was for financial reasons. I'm strongly picking up they're the breadwinner, but it could also be that they could be afraid that if they were to end things with you, that like they would have to give you a certain amount of money. This energy is very, it's giving me Diddy vibes. I don't know why, but that's what it's giving me. Okay, I feel like you were dealing with someone who was flaky, someone who was inconsistent with you. Their feelings for you was very up and down, very flaky, very inconsistent. I don't really feel like this person was loving you the way that you wanted to be loved. And they're like, F it. They're leaving you out in the cold. You know what I'm saying? And it just kind of seems like to them everything is happening so fast. Like it's like almost like they feel like things are out of their control. I feel like this person is wanting to communicate with you though. So don't be surprised if this person starts like texting you and things like that, because I can see back and forth communication. But I feel like the communication they're gonna want to have with you is about to honestly, it's like to be nasty, like to tell you like, like you're not gonna have any money, you're not gonna have this, you're gonna be poor, you know, you're gonna face financial hardships, like like just that's what the thing is, I don't read for just what I see in the cards, I read for what I feel intuitively. That's what I'm getting. Like I'm picking up very much so like just a abusive, narcissistic person who has no filter. Yeah, they want to communicate with you, but I feel like the communication they're gonna have with you is gonna be very like direct and sharp, and like kind of like it's gonna feel like it like their words cut you. I feel like they're gonna be nasty with you. Like they're gonna say like, I don't want you. Like I'm cutting you out of my life. I don't care. You're not gonna have this. You're not gonna have that. To them, they feel like they want to take a break from you. See, like you're done. You're like this is over for you. To this person, this is a break. All right. So because of that, they're gonna communicate with you and say mean things, because maybe like in the past that's what they would do with you and it would work. Like kind of use the whole like you're not gonna have money, you're gonna have this, you're gonna have that as a way to control you, and with hopes of you like coming back and like acting like nothing ever happened. Because like I said, to them, this is a break. You though, you are done. Like they don't know how done you are, but you are done. Okay. So this person is not done with you yet. Okay. If you want to know, they they still feel like this is not over. All right. So let me ask spirit, what advice do they have for you? What advice do you have for the Aries? I'm just gonna shuffle really good. What advice do you have for Aries? When I When I looked at this spread just now, I just got a message intuitively from your spirit guides. I feel like I said, you are done with this person and you guys have decided that you're walking away. You have walked away. But I feel like you are going through some financial hardships, but you're trying to do it on your own. Like you're trying to be strong on your own. I'm picking up very much so this energy of like, I don't need help. I don't need anybody to do anything for me. So you may be afraid to ask people for help. What I'm seeing here is, and this is just like I said, for some reason with this reading, I feel a need to go with what I'm feeling intuitively. That's what spirit is telling me, and that's what I'm gonna go with. Whoever is going through this right now, that's the Aries, I'm picking up you want to contact your family for help, but you're afraid to because you feel like you're going to be a disappointment to them. So right now you're indecisive. You don't know if you should actually reach out to them. Spirit is telling me you need to reach out to your family. They're going to help you. I'm seeing that if you ask your family for help, I can literally see them saying, yes, 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 we'll help you. Come, come, come. And they will really help you get on your feet. So whoever is watching this right now, who is homeless, who is leaving their husband or their wife or their boyfriend or whoever, and you don't want to call home to your parents or whoever because you feel like they're gonna be disappointed, because I feel like strongly you guys are very prideful. You care about how people view you, you care about your public image. Pride needs to go to the side. That's what spirit is revealing to me, and I felt like called to say that to you. So lean on your family for help because you need their help. All right, so I'm going to end this reading here. If you'd like to book a private reading with me, all the information to do that is in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye.